As we saw from the video on cooling emissions, methane causes by far the most warming for the first 10 to 15 years. And the cooling by sulfur dioxide that comes from burning fossil fuels actually masks warming from carbon dioxide for the first decade or two. So climate scientist James Hansen called this a Faustian bargain, a deal with the devil. What he meant by that was that if we drastically reduce fossil fuel emissions, we also drastically reduce the cooling impact of sulfur dioxide. So net warming would actually increase. Salish Rao, as a systems engineer, saw this as well. So to manage a transition to low animal agricultural emissions, as well as low fossil fuel emissions, he strongly recommends that fossil fuel use be phased out slowly, whereas farmed animals production should be shut down quickly, eliminating the intense warming from methane. So, we can see why a quick move away from fossil fuels combined with business as usual animal agriculture would be disastrous. It would accelerate global warming. And remember that 20% of carbon dioxide emissions are caused by deforestation. So in a business as usual animal agriculture scenario, deforestation would also continue, but without the masking from sulfur dioxide that comes from fossil fuels. Of course, methane emissions from fossil fuel production, called fugitive emissions, must also be shut down quickly to get the maximum benefit. Fugitive emissions, particularly from coal mines and fracking leaks, are the second largest source of methane after farmed animals. So Rao proposes a quick move towards a plant-based economy and a slower progression to a clean energy economy.